Hello, and welcome to our video on unlocking the secrets of the hidden job market for construction professionals. Whether you're a fresher stepping into the industry or an experienced pro looking for new opportunities, this video is for you. The construction industry is teeming with job opportunities, many of which aren't publicly advertised. This hidden job market can be a goldmine if you know where and how to look. So, what is the hidden job market? It refers to job vacancies that are not publicly advertised. They are typically filled through internal promotions, employee referrals, or networking contacts. The key to unlocking these hidden opportunities lies in effective networking. Attend industry events, trade shows, and conferences. Connect with individuals in the construction field to learn about potential job openings. Reach out to former colleagues, supervisors, and acquaintances in the construction industry. Join professional organizations such as the Associated General Contractors of America or the Construction Management Association of America. These offer exclusive resources, including job boards and networking events. In addition, these organizations typically host events or meetings that provide further networking opportunities. LinkedIn can be a powerful tool for job hunting in the hidden market. Follow construction industry leaders and companies. Join relevant groups and ensure your profile is up to date, reflecting your skills, experiences, and aspirations. LinkedIn lets you stay informed about industry trends and potential job openings. Partnering with recruitment agencies can also be beneficial. Many construction companies rely on these agencies to fill vacancies. Choose agencies that specialize in the construction industry. And maintain regular contact to keep your profile active. Building a good relationship with these agencies can help you learn about jobs before they're publicly advertised. They're more likely to connect with companies in the sector and understand the required skills and experiences. Consider conducting informational interviews. These conversations with professionals in your industry can provide insights, advice, and potential job leads. Remember, they aren't job interviews, but they can help you build relationships. Informational interviews are conversations with professionals in your industry to gain insights, advice, and potential job leads. Look for professionals in roles or companies that interest you. They could be individuals you've met at networking events, or professionals you found on LinkedIn. Send a concise, professional message explaining who you are and why you want to speak with them. Volunteering or interning in the construction industry can provide valuable experience, build your network, and potentially lead to job opportunities. Look for roles that align with your career goals. Look for volunteer or intern positions that align with your career goals. This could be with construction companies, industry organizations, or related nonprofits. Develop a personal brand. In today's digital age, it helps differentiate you from other professionals and can attract opportunities. Use platforms like LinkedIn and personal websites to communicate your brand. Share insights, engage in discussions, and showcase your expertise. Stay informed about the construction industry. Follow industry news and companies you're interested in. This can help you anticipate job openings and be proactive in your job search. Continuing your education and developing your skills can increase your value to potential employers. Consider pursuing industry-specific certifications and engage in continuous learning. Lastly, maintain a positive online presence. Ensure your social media profiles present you professionally. Update your profiles regularly with your latest achievements, experiences, and skills. Also, be mindful of your digital footprint, including posts, comments, and photos on various platforms. Tapping into the hidden job market requires strategic planning and proactive actions. But with the right approach and tools, you can uncover numerous opportunities that aren't visible on the surface. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into exploring the hidden job market in the construction industry. Remember, every interaction can open the door to a new opportunity. So, seize each one with both hands. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, keep building your career.